Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Sparkling Glamour. Upcoming is the festive season, guys. This is my idea of festive look, a full glam makeup look. So this is the look I have created for this festive season. I hope you guys like it. So if you guys want to know how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. Hey guys, I have already moisturized my skin. Do not forget to moisturize your skin before applying your makeup. Now I am prepping my skin with Lotus Eco Stay Primer. It's a silicone based primer to make your skin blur and keeps ready for the foundation that's gonna come up next. To get a flawless finish, today I am going with reverse makeup technique. It's basically doing your conceal and contour under your foundation. I'm going to explain it to you guys as we go further. As you guys can see, I have taken Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Honey, and I'm going to conceal all the redness that I have on my face. Now with the damp beauty blender, I'm blending that concealer seamlessly into my skin. To get that flawless finish, I'm going with the cream contour today, and for that I'm using Nykaa foundation stick in the shade Toffee Chisel, and I'm going to contour my cheeks, chin, forehead and my nose area. With the damp beauty blender, blend the contour very well. Take your time to blend that contour seamlessly so that there won't be any harsh lines visible. Now I am taking Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation in the shade Sand Beige, and I'm going to warm it up with my fingers and apply it on my face in a dotting motion. With the damp beauty blender, blend your foundation seamlessly. Take your time to blend your foundation. Always blend your foundation in a dabbing motion. Never drag your foundation. Always blend it in a dabbing motion. Taking the same concealer and applying it on the high points of my face and blending it with the same beauty blender. We are doing this step just to highlight the high points of our face. Now taking the loose powder from Fit Me and baking the areas that we have just concealed, and for this I'm using the same beauty blender and applying the powder on the areas that we have just concealed. Now to set my face, I'm using Wet n Wild Rose Primer Water. This step I'm doing just because we have put a lot of powder on my face and I want to melt all the powder with this setting spray. And taking the spoolie, I'm just brushing my eyebrow hairs, and I'm going to fill the sparse areas in my eyebrows with Wet n Wild Brow Kit. To get that sharp looking eyebrows, I use the small trick. I took a flat shaded brush and I have taken a small amount of concealer and I'm going to place it underneath my eyebrows and I'm going to blend it with my fingers. By doing this step, you will automatically notice a little bit of difference and sharpness on your eyebrows. I'm using Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 palette for this eye look, and I'm taking the lightest shade on this palette and I'm going to put it all over my eyelid. This shade is going to be our transition shade. Transition shade is something, guys, if you want to put other colors, it will pop up on this transition shade. And now I took that pink color and I'm going to place it on the outer and inner corner of my eyes, and I'm going to blend them together. This look is very simple, guys. As you guys can see, I have took just one color, a light pink color, and I'm going to place it on the outer and inner corners, and I'm going to join them in my crease area, and I'm not going to take it above the crease area. Just join the two colors and blend it very well, and I'm taking the same shade on my lower lash line also. And with a clean fluffy brush, I'm just mixing the two colors on the crease area so that there won't be any harsh lines. I'm going to repeat the same steps on my other eye also. And there is a beautiful pink shimmer shade in this palette, and I'm going to take that with my hand because shimmers give a lot of pink pigment if you use it with your hands. And I'm going to place that pink shimmery color on the areas that we have left, that is on the center of my lid. As you guys can see, I have just took that shade with my finger and place it on the center of my lid. And there's a champagne gold color from the same palette, and I'm using this as a highlight for my brow bone. And I'm using the same color in the inner corner of my eyes also. Now taking Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal, I'm drawing a small wing, not drastic, I'm just doing a small wing just to give some definition to our eyes. And with the same Kajal pencil, I'm tight lining my waterline also. And comes to the bronzing part. Here I'm using Wet n Wild Mega Glow Bronzer in the shade What Shady Beaches, and I'm giving some shadow to my face because after applying foundation, our face will become flattened. So by applying bronzer, we are giving shadow to our face. Now taking a fluffy brush, I'm using the same bronzer and I'm contouring my nose and blend that bronzer very well. Another trick coming your way. After I have bronzed my face, I took the same Maybelline Fit Me powder and I'm just cutting the bronzer with the powder so that your jawline will look sharp. As you guys can see, I have just placed the powder underneath the bronzer and I'm going to leave it like 1 or 2 seconds. I'm going to brush it off. And for blush, I'm using Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo in the shade Brazilian Bombshells, and I'm using the pink shade on the apples of my cheeks. I'm going for a subtle highlight today, so I'm using Faces Canada Ultime Pro palette and I'm taking the last highlight shade. I'm using it with my finger. I'm not going to go overboard with the highlighter. I just want a little bit of shine on my face. I don't want to look like a disco ball. To line my lips, I'm using Wet n Wild lip pencil in the shade Willow, and it's a nude lip pencil. Nude lip pencils are suitable for any kind of lip shade, any color that you are going to apply. And for lipstick, I'm using Give Me Mocha from Wet n Wild Catsuit collection. It's a nude color. I'm giving you two options over here. This one is a nude lip option. You can go by this, well and good. And if you want a little bit of more color, I'm using Maybelline Lip Gradation in the shade Red 2. And if you want a red lip with this, you can go for it. And I have forgotten to apply mascara, so here I'm going with the mascara. And for mascara, I'm using Wet n Wild Double XL Lash Mascara. I'm quietly liking this mascara a bit now. It's not as good as Maybelline, but it's good. I prefer mascaras which give a little bit of length to our lashes because I don't use false lashes. And the same trick that I have applied for my eyebrows, if you get a little bit of lipstick out of your lips, always use this technique. Take a flat shaded brush, a little bit of concealer, and just give shape to your lips and dab it with your fingers. Now I'm going with the lip gloss because I felt like this look needs a little bit of gloss. And for gloss, I'm using Nykaa lip gloss in the shade Riding Solo. So here guys, our look is completely finished. I have paid 2 jhumkas and a Mang Tika with this look. The dress is from Fab Ali. I'm going to share all the links that whatever products I have used in the description box for you guys. If you are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. And I always say, work for a cause, not for applause. Live life to express, not to impress. Do what you love and always be happy. Stay safe, stay happy. Bye guys.